Welcome to Module 3, Understanding the Agile Methodology. Together, we will explore the Agile approach and how it can revolutionize project management and implementation in various sectors, particularly in social entrepreneurship. In this video, the third in our series, we focus on implementing and sustaining Agile in social entrepreneurship. We will delve into practical strategies for applying Agile methodologies to create lasting social impact. Let's look at the key areas we'll cover today. 1. Laying the groundwork for Agile. 2. Customizing Agile for social projects. 3. Effective team building and roles. 4. Agile project execution. 5. Monitoring and measuring impact. To effectively implement Agile in social entrepreneurship, it's crucial to first lay a strong foundation. This begins with aligning Agile methodologies with your organization's core social mission and values. Educate your team about the Agile philosophy, emphasizing its adaptability, collaborative nature, and its potential to significantly enhance social impact. Discuss the benefits of Agile in fostering a more responsive and iterative approach to project management, and how this can lead to more effective and impactful social initiatives. Agile methodologies, renowned for their versatility, often need thoughtful customization to effectively serve social projects. It's important to adapt frameworks like Scrum or Kanban to fit the specific context and requirements of your social venture. This customization involves integrating social impact metrics into your project tracking, modifying Agile ceremonies like sprint planning and retrospectives to focus on social outcomes, and tailoring communication and collaboration processes to the needs of your stakeholders and community. Continuing with the customization of Agile for social projects, consider the unique aspects of your work. This includes understanding the depth of stakeholder involvement, setting social impact metrics, and fostering community engagement. It's also about adapting Agile artifacts and ceremonies to reflect your social goals. For example, when crafting user stories, include elements that specifically address social impact. This ensures that every aspect of the Agile process is geared towards achieving meaningful social change. Additionally, it's vital to ensure that Agile practices are inclusive, taking into account the diverse range of stakeholders involved in social entrepreneurship. Executing Agile projects in the realm of social ventures requires careful and strategic planning. Start with comprehensive sprint planning sessions where you break down large social goals into manageable and actionable tasks. This step is crucial in ensuring that each sprint is aligned with your overarching social objectives. It's about translating lofty ambitions into tangible steps that collectively move towards significant social change. This process also involves effectively managing your product backlog to ensure that the most critical social needs are addressed promptly. In executing Agile projects within social ventures, focus on managing your sprints effectively. This involves iterative development, where each sprint builds upon the learnings of the previous ones. Ensure regular and meaningful feedback loops are in place, both within your team and from external stakeholders. This approach allows you to adapt swiftly to changing social needs and community feedback, ensuring that your project remains relevant and impactful. Conduct daily stand-ups to keep the team aligned, and use sprint reviews to assess progress towards your social goals. Sustaining Agile practices in social ventures requires effective monitoring and rigorous evaluation. Establish clear metrics and KPIs that track not only project performance but also the social impact you are creating. This dual focus is crucial in ensuring that your Agile practice is not just about completing tasks but is also delivering real social value. Set up regular intervals for assessing these metrics, and integrate impact assessment into your sprint reviews and retrospectives. This practice not only helps in making informed decisions, but also demonstrates accountability and transparency to stakeholders and the community. Utilize tools like the logic model or theory of change to understand and measure the long-term outcomes of your projects. These tools help in visualizing the impact of your work and in aligning your Agile practices with your social objectives. In conclusion, Agile is more than a methodology. It is a mindset that empowers social entrepreneurship teams to respond effectively to dynamic and complex social needs. Customizing Agile to fit the unique demands of social ventures is crucial for success. It's about finding the right balance between structured processes and the flexibility to adapt to evolving social goals. The core of Agile in social entrepreneurship is its people. Building a team that shares a commitment to Agile values and social objectives is vital. Execution is about action and adaptation, with a focus on regular review and adaptation of strategies based on real-time feedback and impact assessments. Sustainability in Agile practices comes from this continuous cycle of learning, monitoring, and willingness to evolve. Embrace Agile for its power to transform your social projects into impactful and sustainable initiatives. As we conclude this module, let's reflect on the words of Mahatma Gandhi: "Be the change that you wish to see in the world." Let this be a guiding principle as you implement and sustain Agile practices in your social entrepreneurship endeavors. Embrace Agile not just as a methodology but as a pathway to creating the change you envision in the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to seeing the impactful changes you will bring to our communities through Agile social entrepreneurship.